Chipper.
Option.
Okay, you're aiming for that? Okay. Sylvia, do you know our throw-ins or no? Do you know our throw-ins? You've been here 5 years. Come on, girl. Come on. Why? Why? Do you not see Sylvia? Come on. Organize him. Taylor, come on. Come on, Tay. Lulu, come on. Hit it. Good. Hey, why would you run there and not there? Again, Sylvia. Crystal. Back up. 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 Look. You can't give that gap. Come back here now. Let's see they give it. Come on. That's something you got to see. They weren't even looking to run, Joe. Look. Throw the ball. You see that? Play. Goal kick. Goal kick. Good ball. Good ball. Corner, let's go. Here you go, play. Play.
In a loving way.
Yeah. Good job. Let's go, throw it. Let's go, jog in.
Why are you holding the water the whole time?
Hey, I sweat too.
They told me to run out and get it back from you, but
I sweat too.
There's a mic on you, but you don't have to.
We went over a lot of stuff today, okay? And sometimes it was moving player to the right, moving player to the left, backing up, stepping forward, stepping out. 2 or 3 steps is a big deal. Study the game, study the film, study everything we talk about. Get it and get it right. If you're in the right spot at all times, you probably will make a play at all times. When you're not in the right spot to start off, that's when you start putting yourself in danger and in trouble, huh? Move early, move a lot, communicate a lot, talk a lot. Hey, come on.